up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat. We got a special guest in the building today, man. Y'all know him as aka Mr. Battle Cat's in the building today, man. He got his daughter's car taken care of. We're taking care of his car today, man. But I'm just giving you a follow-up on what y'all seen on previous videos, and we're working this out. We got this beautiful, beautiful Can-Am being worked on. It's the RSS series. My boys are getting it situated. They got the car apart. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what's going on. The customer wanted to have some audio, so we've added some pods here with some waterproof 5 1/4 from DS18. We're doing a DS18 amplifier, but this guy can have some audio on his baby boy. You know, say while he's driving, he can enjoy his music and do what he has to do. Well, we got my other guy here, Mr. Josh, is stressed out. He got the front end of this car. This car came all the way, guys, from Chicago. Got here today from Chicago to get it done, man. And we have actually rocked and rolled. He didn't even have a situation, but we have to do to take care of our clients, man. So Mr. Josh is rolling. We got Drew rolling. Everybody's doing what they got to do, man. It's just one of those crazy days at the shop, man. We've been rocking and rolling really hard, really busy, really tired, but we're gonna keep on doing it. I'm just giving y'all an update, man. I'll come back in a minute. Like I told you, man, we have Mr. Battle Cat's car in the building, man. I talked to you guys about a guy named Josh. He completely took care of my truck, my car, man. Gave me my brake pads, did everything for it. And you know, I always believe one hand washes the other, man. This is his truck that he got here. He brought it in. He wanted me to surprise him. I'm gonna guarantee you one thing. I'm gonna surprise him. I'm not telling him what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give him something really nice for being a great guy. This guy's been good to me, man, ever since before YouTube, before anything. He's always been loyal to me, always been good to me, always taking care of my cars, always done right by me and everybody. So definitely I'm gonna take care of him. But I'm gonna show y'all Mr. Battle Cat's cars is inside the shop here. He is getting it window tinted. As you can see, Battle Cat's in the building, y'all. Battle Cat's in the building, man. He had a little tint problem. He got it done somewhere else. We're about to fix it for him. My guy over there, guy who's already rocking and rolling. You can see him doing his magician stuff, because this car should be out of the shop very shortly and doing what we have to do. So we should definitely be having some fun and figuring out exactly what's going on, man. But I'll give y'all a post in a few minutes to keep you guys updated. To give y'all an update of what's going on, man, we actually got the little spider coming together. Y'all can see the Can-Am. The speakers are installed right there. My boy Drew is actually working on putting those in there right now. Amplifiers in there. Pretty much everything's installed. All he has to do now is just get it to sound and get it to the customer, deliver with the Bluetooth module. That one's coming together, my boy Josh. We have a lot of stuff going on, y'all. It's been a crazy day. I'm on my way to go do something personally, so I gotta step out the shop. Hopefully some of these cars will be gone where they should be, but if not, then I did my best to bring y'all the vlog, man. But I'll tell you what's going on. I'll be back in a minute. This is what's going on, man. We're getting ready to finish up the day. My boys have installed in this beautiful Kia Stinger here. I'm actually gonna open it up so y'all can see. He wanted a 1-woofer setup. He got the Nemesis Audio MV right there. He's got over here also the brand new Nemesis 3.5 KD monoblock amplifier. They're about to do the test and tuning on this beautiful Kia Stinger here and get this rolling. And the tricycle shall be out of here, guys. The Can-Am should be out of here in a few minutes. I'll give you the update on that one so y'all can see what's going on. One of the another builds you're gonna get to see in this channel could be we're gonna start this Oldsmobile. This Buick Skylark, I'm sorry, it's gonna start from beginning to end. So I want you guys to get an understanding of what's going in here, what's going on with this car, and what we're gonna be doing. The customer dropped it off. Great customer friend of mine says, Jeff, do what you need to do. I said, that's all you need to tell me. I'm gonna build a custom build box, port it to the rear deck, woofer, pro audio, amplifier, processors, everything you can think about. I'm gonna get it done in this car, y'all. So this is gonna be one of the videos you're gonna see from beginning to end. How we build this car from what it is today to what it's gonna turn into. Stay posted.
Igual sigo confiado que si te llevo a besar. Desde que tú te vas de mi ser, que tú me pedirás un poco más. Para que te dé siempre la piel. Hola, no sé si te acuerdas de mí. Ay, no te sentí.
I wouldn't dare do that. I wouldn't dare do that. I don't know. I don't have to guess that. So this bad boy is situated, ready to go, man. All DS18'd out. He got his amplifiers installed in the cubby hole. Pop this over here. How's he pop it here? He got a key. He know how to do his bad boy. He got his amplifier installed down there, so he's got a waterproof amplifier. He could do mud, water, whatever he wants to. That can Bluetooth connection by Sherwin Vega. So he can pretty much do whatever he wants in that bad boy and get this bad boy situated out the door. So now he has audio I want to do the lights on it. That could be my next project, I'm pretty sure, but I definitely want to make it a unique whip, man. But look at the owner of it, man. How long you had this for?
2015.
You've had it since 2015. How you like it?
It's good.
You enjoy it. It's something you enjoy with your wife and your kids, your family, just have a good time.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying, guys? But one of these coming soon to a theater near you. Be careful that you don't see AUDIOZONE come and pop up with one of these, man, because I actually do like this a lot. It's fun. I think it's safer than a motorcycle, so we'll see to be continued, y'all. I like this bike.